Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information, with a special video on a very special package that we do here at McArthur Ford, and this is the Lmxr package. If you've ever wanted out there, Ford stopped making a Supercab Raptor version. Well, we've come as close as we think we can with this package. So we're going to cover this package. We're going to talk about what trim level it's based off of from the factory and some of the factory equipment that's on it first, and then what we include as part of this Lmxr package. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll also be notified next time we have another video uploaded to the channel. So let's dive in and let's talk about this Lmxr package. What makes it special? So from the factory, these are going to be equipped on the XLT equipment group. We do like the XLT trim because it does keep that price down as much as we can to load this package on there and not break the bank for you if you want something special, some sort of off-road package. So this is the XLT equipment group. We do put this on. Of course, this is the Supercab 4x4 version, which is the whole goal behind this Supercab Raptor, comparison, I should say. This in here, we do also include with these the XLT Sport Equipment Group, because we love that because it does already from the factory get your body colored bumpers up here with your LED fog lights. This and also we do include as the part of the 302A equipment group. So we like that equipment group because it's gonna, you'll see when we get to the inside and some of the other features, all the different things that are included within that equipment group. And of course, for the engine, we're going to base this on the 5.0 liter V8 engine with the 10-speed automatic transmission. It will be geared with a 373 electronic locking gear ratio. So with the 5.0, we know a lot of people out there in the Raptor world, they love their V8. And this gives that capability of not only having that 5.0 liter V8 engine, but if you want to, being a Roush certified dealer here at McArthur, we can upgrade that and add a supercharger to it if you'd like us to. So that's another great reason to have that 5.0 liter V8 engine. Up here on these headlights, they will be the LED signature lighting as part of that 302 equipment group, and LED reflector headlights as well. And like I mentioned, LED fog lights too. You'll get auto high beams that are standard on all your XLTs. Now, coming around over here to the side, we do get the running boards that'll be included with this. Because of the sport package, it's going to be that gray running boards on the side over here. Now this does have the BLIS system, blind spot information system with cross traffic alert, includes the blind spot of the trailer when you hook up a trailer. That's part of that 302A equipment group. We do have the LED spotlights over here, which also is a great feature to have on this. This does get an intelligent access as part of the 302A equipment group. So just have that key fob in my pocket, just put my hands on the door handle. It's going to automatically unlock the vehicle. I can just lock it by pressing the button there, and also have a keypad entry and push button start. So you don't have to get the keys out to get in or out, or to start the vehicle, which is another great feature to have on this. Moving around here to the back, body colored bumpers, just like with the front bumpers as well. This does have the rear view camera. Also, it does have the reverse sensing system. This one we'll also make sure all of them have the class 4 receiver hitch, 4-pin, 7-pin wiring as well right there. And you do have the hitch assist with the LED lights back here too. And it does have the tailgate release as well that's going to be included. So just double click that, tailgate release. And forgot to mention earlier, we'll also have remote start in here, and it'll have a 400-watt outlet in the back of the bed. So then on the inside, let's check out the inside real quick. So bucket seats with the console in here is included. We'll have the console with the shifter right here on there. So that's going to be included as well. You will see the accents on the side of the console and the dash. That'll be that gray that goes along with the sport package. Part of the 302A equipment group, the big 12-inch touchscreen. Sync 4 is standard on these. So it'll have the over-the-air updates and all the great features to expect from that. Heated seats as well for the driver and front passengers, included dual zone climate as part of the 302A equipment group. All your outlets up here on the dash, power points, everything else is included. All your drive modes being 4-wheel drive, push button start as I mentioned earlier, and leather wrapped steering wheel is also included with this. So as you can tell, very well equipped from the factory. But now let's talk about this Lmxr package. All right, as part of this Lmxr package, of course, you're gonna see the wheels. So we did take the wheels from the original Raptor. So those are OEM Raptor wheels here. So 17-inch wheels. Those are the standard stock Raptor wheel with the BF Goodrich KO2 35-inch all-terrain tires. Just like the tires you'd get on the Raptor. So very good. What's great about these tires is some great off-road capabilities, but quiet on the road as well. I've been riding on these on my Bronco as well as an F-150 I had before that, that I can tell you that they are very quiet on the road, but have great grip and off-road capabilities there. Also, you'll see the Raptor style fender flares as well here with the markers on the front, as well as the red marker on the back there. So it gives it that look of the Raptor there. With this also, you're gonna see the Ford Performance 2-inch front suspension lift on this, as well as in the back you're going to get the Ford Performance and dual reservoir rear shocks as well. So we try to upgrade it as close as we can to what the Raptor is going to have. Not quite to the Fox 2.5-inch live shocks, but pretty darn close, and it should work just fine for you if you want to take this off-road and do some serious fun with it. Graphics on the side, we did add as close as what you would see on the original Raptor, so that's pretty cool. I think we did a good job on that side. Bedside graphic, we also have the graphic on the back of the tailgate too, just in the corner. And then also we have it on the hood. So we added the graphics that looks real similar to what the Raptor gets on the hood too. So now inside, we didn't forget the inside. You'll notice we try to replicate as much as we can to the Raptor with the interior. You'll see those special seats that are on there. So these are kind of our inspiration here on this is the Raptor. So you will see that red come through those perforations in those seats. And we worked with Top King in Kansas City for those seats. Those are very specific, and the Lmxr embroidering on the backrest. So those are custom design that we worked with them to replicate. And I like the perforations in those seats. So it looks pretty cool. They come through and gives it some of that, the Raptor look there. Also, there's a dash plaque up there on the console too. So you can see that there. So you'll know this is a very limited series run for McArthur. So you're going to know that you have something that's very specific and limited to that. Also, of course, will come with the front window tint. It'll also already have the factory window tint here. So front window tint. Also the top spray-in bed liner that's going to be included with this. And all of it's going to be covered with a 3-year, 36,000 mile peace of mind McArthur Performance warranty that comes with everything that we added to the truck. So pretty cool little package that I think you guys will enjoy. All right, so that is our Lmxr package for the 2023 Ford F-150. Again, if you've been looking for a Raptor Supercab Raptor out there, you can't get one. Ford doesn't make them anymore, so we tried getting something as close as we can to that with this Lmxr package. So hopefully you'll enjoy it as well. If you're wanting to get something, some off-road capable Supercab F-150 out there, this might be the build for you. So we do have, this is our first one in stock. We have some more that are being built right now. So look on our website, go to lmxr.com, hit that performance tab at the top, and you can go to all of our performance builds. Click on that Lmxr package, and you get all the different details that we talked about in this video. This video will be on there as well as all the Lmxr vehicles that we have currently in stock will be on that page as well. So definitely take a look at that. If you like this video, hopefully you did, smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget, if you want to see other videos like this or stay updated on Ford model specific videos, you want to check out our channel, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll also be notified next time I have another video uploaded to the YouTube channel. And don't forget too, we do free shipping up to $1,000 if you finance a vehicle with us. So that's a very special offer that we have. So definitely contact us if you're interested in one of these. We can have it shipped right to your door. So many customers all over the country are doing that, and you can as well. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, don't forget to stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.